Good morning everyone. Assistant Professor Uzma Ayub Sarkot will be teaching you chapter Insurance Claim. Let us revise today Insurance Claim Accounting. The introduction for the claim for loss of stock. If in insurance claim any mishappenings has taken place in business, then claim is asked for the same. Good morning students. So today we are starting with the third lecture of insurance claim. I am giving you the second sum as per the loss of stock method. See the question everyone. A fire broke out in the premises of ABC company on 1st July 2019 and stock of the value of rupees 1,57,500 was salvaged and the books were recorded as follows. Please see the question everyone. There are two columns, particulars, amount. On the particular side, stock on 31st March 2018, 4,20,000. Stock on 31st March 2019, again 4,20,000. You can see that there are two stocks given here, 2018 and 2019. Now please try to understand. 31st March 2018 is acting as a previous stock, matlab previous, and then again there is a stock of 31st March 2019 which is next stock. So it means that previous one is acting as an opening stock for 2018 and next one is acting as a closing stock for the same trading account, means first trading account. Okay, then comes sales from 1st April to 30 June 2019, 5,10,000. This information is from April to June. It means it is considered to be memorandum trading account. April to June, whatever information is there, it is acting as memorandum trading account information. So that is sales for memorandum trading account. Again the purchases information is given from April to June, that is again for the memorandum trading account. Then comes next sales for the year ended 31st March 2018, 15 lakh. That is again the first trading account, 15 lakh. Trading account 15 lakh, and then again purchases for the first trading account, it is 9 lakh. So after that calculate the amount of claim to be submitted to the insurance company in respect of loss of stock. You can see in this question you have to calculate 2018 trading account and then you have to calculate memorandum trading account for April to June. Then you have to calculate again loss of stock formulae. In this policy is there, policy value also you will calculate later. Now we start with the solution of this sum. Firstly, you have to write in the books of the name of the limited. You can see in the question, in starting part, the name of the company or the limited is ABC Limited. So firstly, you have to write that. Then you have to write trading account. Trading account for the year ended 2018. You can see in the question 2018 is given in starting. So that year you have to write. Then you have to make the ledger particulars, inner column, outer column with the amount. Again particulars, inner column and outer column with the amount. Debit and credit. Make it on one full page. After that, you have to start with the opening stock. In the question, it is said the opening stock for the 2018 is 4,20,000. So that you have to take on the debit side 4,20,000. Then you have to search 2018 purchases. You can see in the question and write the purchases. You have to find that year. See, it is given in the last statement. 31st March 2018 purchases is 9 lakh. You have to carry forward. You have to take there on the debit side. Then you have to take the sales from the same year 2018. The sales is given as 15 lakh. I hope you all got that, students. 15 lakh you will take. And then closing stock is of 31st March 2018. You have to search that. Since in this the closing is 31st March 2019, you will take it as 4,20,000. After taking that, you will close the account by debit total and credit total, and the difference value will give you gross profit 6 lakh. After completion of our gross profit, the next step is gross profit ratio. The formula is gross profit divided by sales into 100. Take gross profit from 2018, we got 6 lakh from the above. 15 lakh, again sales is given on credit side, 15 lakh into 100, and that will give you the answer as gross profit ratio 40%. Now we have to make the next year's trading account, that is known as the current year trading account, memorandum trading account. For the year ended 2019, the July month will come from the month in which the fire has occurred. You can see in the starting part of the question, the fire has occurred on 1st July 2019. So you have to just write the month and the year of that, July 2019. Then again make the ledger, particulars, inner column, outer column, particulars, inner column and outer column with debit and credit. Then we know that the closing stock of last year becomes the opening stock of next year. The closing stock we have got in the previous trading account as 4,20,000, and that will be transferred as opening stock of the current year 4,20,000. Then you have to take the purchases. The purchases is given already, April to June. In that month, in mid, there was a fire has occurred till July. So April to June to July, that is nothing but 2019 years purchases, 3,15,000. You will transfer it on the debit side, 3,15,000. Then same for the same year, sales is also given. You have to check it in the question. The sales is given as 5,10,000. April to June, that one is transferred to on the credit side, 5,10,000. Then you have to calculate on the debit side gross profit. That gross profit ratio, you got it as 40%. That 40% you will take out on sales of current year, 5,10,000, 40%. You get 2,04,000 answer. Then you will close the account balancing figure by debit total, credit total, and the difference is known as closing stock, 4,29,000. Then the highest total of will be coming in the last, that is 9,39,000 on both the side. The next is calculation of loss of stock. As you all know, the formula of it is stock on date of fire minus salvage value or saved value. Stock on date of fire, you will take it from the memorandum trading account as closing stock is there, 4,29,000. You will transfer that amount there. Minus salvage value, you will take it from the question. It is given in the question in the starting part, 1,57,500. You will minus that and you get the answer as loss of stock as 2,71,500. In this question, the policy is not given. So, the average clause will not be calculated. Okay. Thank you.